What is going on, guys? Today I'm just going to be talking about how much does it actually take for you in order to make $100 just trading per day. That's one of the most, I think, common questions I actually get asked, as well as a big misconception in the trading world, because a lot of people just look at how much money they can make without taking into account the strategy or also their account size. So I'm going to be breaking it down, because when I first started making $100 a day to then making $1,000 a day to now today, where I usually make around $2,500 to $1,500 a day. Yesterday I had a $6,000 day. Today I had a $1,700 day. The Friday before that I was at 23, and then I was down minus 4,000, and then 2,500 again the previous day. So these are just basically how I do it myself, as well as kind of some changes I experienced while doing this for the past couple of years. So the way you calculate the daily profit basically is based on your account size. So as you can see here, if your goal is to make $100 a day, that basically means I always go with the 1% a day thing. So there are 20 trading days in a week, and that basically just means my goal is to get 1% of my account size per day, because my monthly goal is 10 now my monthly goal is 10 to 20% every month. It used to be a lot higher than this, but again, as my account size grows, my risk and reward strategy changes. So basically, if your goal is $100 a day, then your account size must be $10,000 due to that 1% a day. Now, if you're under the PDT rule and your goal is $100 a day, then you actually need around 2 to 2.5% every day, because you can only make 3-day trades per week. Now, if your basically goal is to make $1,000 a day, then your account size must be $100,000. Now you're probably wondering, oh yeah, that makes it so much easier, because once your account gets bigger, obviously it makes it easier to keep trading like that. But your strategy actually changes. So back when my account was around $1,000, $10,000, I would put that in about one stock. I would literally just buy half my position size right away, and then I might put in the rest, or I might just put it all in at one. Now that my account is different, currently I'm holding like 10 different stocks right now overnight to swing trade into the next morning, and then I always have around $20,000 to $50,000 left in buying power for the next day, since I just hold some stocks overnight. So why did my strategy change? Risk to reward management. Because if I were to put $100,000 into one stock, one, emotionally, I would not be ready for that, and that clouds my judgment. Second of all, I have become more of an average down investor, so I don't always have the perfect timing, but now I have enough capital to where I don't need to be as precise as I used to be. I can literally buy in and just keep scaling down. Once I get the confirmation, I can nicely scale up, or I can just take my profits and I'm like, happy do dandy, you know? As well as with the capital now, my account currently is close to $120,000 as a day trading / swing trading account. So again, that is why my strategy has changed. Do I still make my profits? Yes, I do. My swing trades are also part of that. And also a huge thing of the thing that shows up as profit or loss is because of my swing trades that I might still hold. I remember last week on Wednesday, I was down 11,000 and around $800. That was because of my Tesla position took a huge hit, but that is long term. That's not just a swing, that is a long term swing trade, not like a nightly swing like I'm currently doing with Fubo or ATNX, stuff like that, or AFNX. It's more of those kinds of stocks where it's like, okay, I'm holding this for a month for specific reasons. So again, your daily profit goal should not be based off of your cash value. If you have $1,000 account and your goal is $100 a day, you'd be looking at 10% every single day, which is a return rate of 200% a month, which is very hard to do, almost impossible. But there's about a 1% chance you can do that. So again, stop looking at the cash value, start looking at the percentage value, because that'll also help you during trades. Because then if you have a $10,000 account, you can take one or two trades here of 5,000 each, and one position might go down 2%, another position might go up 5%, and then you're 3% in the green. So look at it percentage value. Stop comparing your account. If you have a $10,000 account and you're comparing that to my $120,000 account, or my 120 to a buddy of mine that has over $1.7 million in his account, that's not comparison. If he makes 1%, he is looking at $17,000 on the day. If I make 1%, I'm looking at $1,200 on the day. So again, different things, different rewards, and just different outcomes, looks, and goals. It really depends on each person. It's not a template you can have. This isn't like school where they all throw you into one fish tank. This is the real world. This is how you actually make it. Keep the percentage in mind, forget the dollar value, and watch your account change insane amounts. That's what I wanted to get to you guys, and that is how much you can calculate your profit very easily. If you guys want to see the fundamental analysis and the details of stocks, as well as get daily/weekly watch lists and daily alerts, click that link in the description down below. It is called WBB Discord. I post 10-20 times a day on there, as well as I give out free stocks and stuff. So just click there. It also has all our merch, coming out with new iPhone cases very soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace out.